Let's go check out MotoAmerica. Yes, sir.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a pack.
So I'm thinking this is gonna work pretty good angle wise. I just have to probably get another GoPro. What do you guys think? Insta360, GoPro, what do you guys want? I mean, well, I know what I want. It's just, you know what I'm saying, my bank account's not set up that way, so it makes it hard for me to get stuff. Okay, so I don't know where exactly I need to go. Let me go ask this dude over here.
Always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel?
Where the vendors are at, if there is gonna be any. Oh yeah, these dudes are flying homes. Backers are rolling, bruh. Alright everybody, we are here at MotoAmerica. Finally showed up. A lot of demo bikes, Yamahas. Got Triumphs over here.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't playing no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah bitch I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread, with every word that I've said.
Alright fam, we are done walking around that area there. We're gonna go and ride around the track here a little bit and kind of see where things are at. I haven't been in this areas before, so we're gonna go check it out. There's gonna be a point in this video where I'm just gonna chill and I'm gonna enjoy this. So y'all gonna have to just relax, bro. I can see the fascination with this now, man. I can see why this is kind of fun. I mean, look at this.
Oh, no.
Did y'all see that, yo? Oh no. Dude, he bit it hard, Holmes. That's one of the subscribers right there in his MT-09. Looking good, bro. He sounds super good. His acropovic sounds super good. Yeah, it's pretty awesome back here though. I didn't realize you can get this close and get this far into the track, man. It's like, it's super nice back through here. Yeah, like, I mean, just look at it. You're right there at the track. It's like it's pretty sick, dude. That guy's getting it, bro. Alright fam, that's gonna do it for today's video. Spent a few hours over here at the track. A lot of these guys are qualifiers. Went through a couple, I went through one demo ride. I was gonna do more, but I got talking to one of the subscribers here, so we kind of hung out for a little bit. But good times. I'm just gonna head back to the house because they're pretty much kind of wrapping things up here. and then those who are going to camp, they're going to be camping out. So, but it's good. So a funny thing is, I have I thought that I bought tickets just for Friday, Saturday. Turns out I bought tickets for Saturday and Sunday. So I will be back this way this entire weekend because I'm not losing money. Oh God, I'm not gonna lose any money by not showing up. So I am going to show up on all those days. So I see that they said there is no camping allowed, but a lot of people have campers. So yeah, I don't know how they're going to work that noise. Alright fam, that is gonna wrap it up for today's video. Appreciate you guys coming along. I appreciate my subscriber coming out and having a little meet and greet with him. So good times always with Beyonce Yanto. Once again, always appreciate it. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you want to, share and comment, let me know what's up, and I will see you guys here on the next one. Peace out.